stupid. Fight it. Fight the stupid.
Fight the stupid? Are you enjoying that?
Uh-huh.
Are you sure you're enjoying that?
Uh-huh.
See, now I need something to get stuck to your face.
What?
Nothing.
What?
You have like a huge chunk stuck to the side of your face. Oh my god. Look, it's Captain Bluebeard.
No! Come on, pussy. Oh, your booty.
Oh shit.